Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh and good morning. Before starting the presentation, I would like to introduce myself as presenter. My name is Maintang. I am a researcher at Assessment Institute for Agricultural Technology South Sulawesi in Makassar. My title stated is Study of Technology Packages to Support Increasing Production of Chili Pepper Commodity in South Sulawesi. Production. Chili pepper is a leading and important horticultural commodity in South Sulawesi and also national product in Indonesia. In 2016, the chili pepper planting area in South Sulawesi about 8267 hectares with low fertility at, at level of 6.67 tons per hectare, and this productivity is still far from its potential production. The optimalism and application of chili pepper cultivation technology is one of the main problems causing the low productivity of chili pepper at the farm level. Production factor: land, seed, fertilizer, pesticides, labor, pest, disease, and weeds has the potential become a limiting factor if not handled properly. The application of appropriate cultivation technology can encourage increasing production of chili pepper. Aims. The study aims to obtain packages of chili pepper cultivation technology to support increasing productivity of chili pepper in South Sulawesi. Research method. The study was held from April to July 2019 in rice field in Lengkese Village, Mangarabomban District, Takala Regency, South Sulawesi. The study used randomized dot design with 5 treatment and 3 replication. The parameter observed were plant vegetative growth, population and intensity of pest and major disease, and yield component of chili pepper. The observation of plant vegetative we carry out at the age 120 days after planting, and the yield component was observed at harvest time. The observation used 10 plant samples in every treatment plot. The data on vegetative growth, chili pepper production, intensity of pest and disease attack were analyzed. Parents used the egg test. Differences in the effect used Dunkel multi-parent test. The 5 treatment packages were 6 technology components and 5 treatment A, B, C, D, and E. And the formula we use to know the intensity of main pest, and the formula we use to know the intensity of pest and disease attack chili pepper. Result and discussion. Based on the analysis of variance in the vegetative growth of chili pepper, showed not significant effect, showed not differences. We showed that based on the statistic data, the 5 technology packages has the same effect on the growth of chili pepper. The growth of chili pepper tends to be better in technology package A based on plant height and stem diameter. From the table 2, the parameter of leaf length and leaf width in package A also higher than treatment B, C, D, and E. Treatment E was showed lower growth than treatment A, B, C, and D. Based on the analysis of parents, there is no significant effect too in parameter yield sum of yield component and production of chili pepper. From the table 3, we can see that Treatment A and treatment A showed a higher fruit length, but fruit diameter more wider in treatment D. From the table, from the table 4, from the table 4, the average of 100 fruit was higher in treatment B. The treatment showed a significant impact on fruit weight per plant, and the fruit was higher in treatment B and C, significantly different from treatment A and D and E. Treatment C showed the higher production, but not significantly different from the other package. Based on the analysis of variance, our treatment showed that the level of fish attacks is not significantly different. The attack of M. persicale and fruit fly in chili pepper was low, ranging from 0 to 1 and 0 to 0.40%. Fusarium was found to attack chili pepper plant at the age of 60 and 90 days after planting, and anthracnose disease at 120 days after planting. The intensity of Fusarium wilt disease and anthracnose were low, only 0 to 1.3 in 60 days after planting and 0 to 4% in 90 days after planting, and anthracnose ranging from 0.20 and to 0.60% in 120 days after planting. Conclusion and suggestion. The 5 technology package applied was showed significantly different effect on the weight parameter of chili pepper per plant. However, no significant difference on growth parameter and chili pepper production. The treatment C used technology package Maruti variety, closed nursery, Mars, ranching distance, dosage of organic fertilizer 10 tons per hectare and inorganic fertilizer 180 NPK kilogram per hectare. Higher chili production reached 14.97 tons per hectare. The cause injury of plants M. persicale, fruit flies, Fusarium wilt disease, and anthracnose were found at low level of attack intensity. This technology package is expecting more developed to support increasing production of chili pepper in South Sulawesi. Thank you for attention and Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.